My name is Brian Stringham, and I'm the founder of UtilAware. We actually started by finding a problem that my dad had in his job, which is to manage a sewer system, a rural sewer system up in Bear Lake area. I talked to him about some of the challenges that he faces, and he said that he spends a lot of time manually checking equipment. After that, I more just started trying to do a favor for him. But then as I've talked to more people, more systems, after attending a water conference, I found that this is probably more of a wide-scale problem than just his system. So we design and manufacture low-cost remote monitoring systems for sewer and water utility equipment. So these sensors easily retrofit onto existing equipment at a low cost and alert sewer and water utility managers of issues with their equipment before damage occurs. I learned how to create all of this just a little at a time. As part of my research that I'm doing in the Design Exploration Lab under Dr. Mattson, I have designed these sensor systems for monitoring products in developing countries. So that's where it sort of stemmed from, but I saw there was an opportunity here and took it. So I got 5th at the Big Idea Pitch, and then I ended up getting 2nd in the Student Innovator of the Year competition. Getting involved in those competitions gave me some resources, some money, as well as really the feedback that I needed to make sure I was going down the right track. They've really taken a lot of the elusiveness out of entrepreneurship and made it more into an experimental approach where you can actually de-risk a lot of the process and make sure you're not just going to waste a bunch of time on something that people don't want. My goals for the future are ultimately to enable rural systems to purchase this equipment. I hope to just grow this business little by little until it helps as many people as it can.